Hello, welcome back, welcome new listeners. As you returning listeners know, these are very short little talks. They're just enough to hopefully provoke you to looking in your own heart, not in another book, not in another scripture, and not at another temple or with another teacher, just looking within one's own heart, which is called mindfulness. So today my idea is what is going to the temple? Currently I'm living in Thailand. I think I remember accurately. I looked it up on Google search. How many temples are there in Thailand? And it said about 40,000. That was, what do they call it? Bricks and mortar. Those were buildings, those were locations, they were established, they were registered on a registry with the government as a temple, Buddhist temple. They said there were many, many more not registered in caves, in sacred locations, outdoors in nature, etc. So then I asked how many Buddhist monks are there, and they said about 40,000. So that's a temple for every monk. I'm digressing. So people go to the temple on special occasions in the Buddhist religion and to ask for something, usually pray to get pregnant, to pray to be married, to pray to get a better job, etc. And on birthdays, it's a tradition, people will go and spend several days at a temple on their birthday. And they bow down to statues of the Buddha. Some temples allow lighting incense or candles. In all religions, there's a place that we go, a synagogue, a church. In every religion, there are some sacred locations. But where is the real temple? And the answer's really easy, it's really quick. It's in our heart and not in our brain. Our brain is a great seducer. It is a deceiver. It's a trickster. We learn something. We listen to these videos and read about the history of whoever we're practicing, and we think we know something that we do not know. So the goal is to find a way to open up the heart. And that is where we find a Dhamma nature. That's where we find Buddha nature. It's where we find Christ consciousness, or whatever vocabulary you're comfortable with, the God within, the mystery, the unknown, etc. That's in our heart. And we access the heart not through the brain, not through the intellect, but by quieting the intellect, this intellect which is constantly seeking to proliferate, to think, to imagine, to remember, by meditating and developing a quiet and calm demeanor and mind, so we can practice mindfulness. And mindfulness is just the watching of every thought and the emotion that accompanies it, like I like it, I don't like it, I'm neutral, and letting it go. It's not enough to know I'm angry, I'm hungry, I'm sleepy, I'm tired. All those sentences start with the word I am, and that's a lie. And we wake up to the way we think and the way we talk, and this is the path. This is the path that leads to the temple of our heart, where everything we think we're missing can be found. So keep up your good work. Don't despair. It's there, and you've been called to find it. This is the prince looking for the princess, or the princess looking for the prince, the person looking for the buried treasure, The treasure is in our heart, just waiting for you to claim it. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I hope you'll come back.